अदर देन सी साइंस है तो आइदर इंजीनियर या डॉक्टर हो जाएगा, ह्यूमैनिटीज़ है तो आइदर यूपीएससी वगैरह हम प्रिपेयर कर लेंगे, या फिर डिज़ाइन फाइन आर्ट्स में अच्छे हैं तो आई कैन बिकम एन आर्टिस्ट और ए डिज़ाइन आर्टिस्ट और समथिंग, राइट. कॉमर्स में है तो सीए या सीएस करेंगे. सो दीज आर द कॉमनली नोन करियर ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल टू द स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ हैज़ समवन एवर थॉट ऑफ अनकन्वेंशनल पाथ, like agar supposing I am good at humanities, I am good at understanding people, so psychology can be one of my subject. Or have you ever thought of psychology with business studies?
Yes.
So what is the career option available?
There is HR and human resource, staffing, directing.
But with business studies, there is nowadays, if you have heard of business psychology होता है, people hire consultants. समझ में, market psychology, consumer behavior है. So what kind of psychology leads to bigger sale of any particular product? So psychology is also a good subject with different combinations. Those who are into human psychology, maybe they can pursue biology and psychology. So clinical psychology हो जाता है. There are people who like money psychology. People do research, PhD in their in this thing. So those who deal with stock market, because stock market is not only about knowledge about stocks, but it also deals with psychology. So these are some unconventional career path. A person who is very good at sports, but at times understands psychology also. So sports psychology. A person who is very good at sports, who is very diet conscious, sports nutritionist सुना है. These are also high paying jobs. So these are in trend. So basically students are aware only about these career options, but there are a lot of unconventional path. Someone who is good at both math and bio, so biotechnology combination होता है, right? So सिर्फ JEE और NEET के सिवा भी there are a lot of combinations which are available. Has someone ever heard of liberal arts concept? Okay, so I deal with a lot of students who have confusion or who are like I am good at this also, I am good at that also. But कभी किसी ने सोचा I can take maths also and I like to write poetry, or I am good at content writing. So liberal arts are colleges which give you a lot of combinations. So someone can take maths as a major and English as a minor also, or both majors or one minor, it can be other way. So there are lot of unconventional paths available, like sports management है अभी, mental health, psychology है, AI and ML, most of you must have heard, सुना है? Yeah, only software engineering में भी artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science है. Those who are very good at numbers, so data science is could be one of the choices. So there are lot of career options available. I do conduct lot of psychometric tests, then sessions with the students and parents. So there are lot of factors. After combining, we reach to a conclusion that the child could be good at this. It's not just about marks. बच्चा maths में अच्छा है, engineer बन जाओ, bio में अच्छा है, and doctor बन जाओ. So there are lot of career options available for the kids of this generation, and they are privileged that they can explore.
So to summarize, the conventional paths are arts, commerce, science, and then if he doesn't know the child doesn't know his interests, so he chooses one of these, and if the child knows his interest and knows the subjects he wants to study in, then he can take the subjects and then figure out how these two get combined and a career is made.
So that is where this career counseling comes into picture, how we can combine. So students come to me after 10th grade that this is the subject which are being offered in our school, so we can decide the combination, because one wrong choice can impact your entire career.
Next.